New NotebookLM update is insane. Google just dropped something that changes everything. They just turned your notes into full cinematic videos, automatically. One click, no editing, no scripting, no animation skills, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Plus, I'm going to show you how we're using it right now to grow a real business. Stay till the end because this is big. So here's what happened. Google just fully rolled out cinematic video overviews inside NotebookLM. And when I say cinematic, I don't mean slideshows, I don't mean templates, I mean real, animated explainer videos with AI narration, dynamic scenes, and actual storytelling. You upload your notes or a PDF, you click one button, and it spits out a full video. That's it. That's the whole process. Now let me put this in context for you. Before this update, NotebookLM could make basic video slideshows. Think PowerPoint with a voiceover. Cool, but nothing crazy. Now, it's a full production studio. Under the hood, it uses multiple AI models working together. Gemini acts like the director brain, then there's an image model making the visuals, and a video model handling the animation. The AI is making hundreds of creative decisions for you. It picks the narrative flow, it picks the visuals, it picks the pacing, it picks the style. You don't touch any of it. Think about what that means. The old way of making a video, you write a script, you record or find footage, you edit for hours, you add music, you add transitions, you export, you upload. That takes a whole day minimum. NotebookLM does it in seconds. That's not a small upgrade, that's a completely different game. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Let me show you how we'd actually use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. Say we just wrote a guide called 5 AI automation workflows that save 10 hours a week. Normally, turning that into a video would take forever. But with this update, you take that guide, upload it straight into NotebookLM, hit generate, and boom, you've got a cinematic explainer video that walks through all 5 workflows with visuals, narration, and a story structure. You didn't edit a single frame. Now imagine doing that every single week. You write one piece of content for the AI Profit Boardroom. Maybe it's a case study. Maybe it's a breakdown of a new AI tool. Maybe it's a step-by-step automation tutorial. You upload it, you get a video, you post that video on YouTube, you embed it on your site, you share it in the community. One piece of content turns into multiple formats without you hiring a video editor. Let me give you another example. Say we create a PDF called How the AI Profit Boardroom Helps Business Owners Automate Their Marketing. We upload that into NotebookLM. It reads the whole thing. It understands the key points, and it creates a cinematic video that explains the value of AI automation, shows the benefits of being in the community, and makes it feel like a professional explainer you'd see on a landing page. That's content you can use everywhere: website, social media, email campaigns, ads, all from one upload. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody's finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips. Just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions that you can follow without guessing. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. All right, let's keep going because there's more you need to know. Here's what makes this different from everything else out there. ChatGPT gives you text, Midjourney gives you images, NotebookLM gives you a full video. That's 3 different levels. And the video isn't generic. It's based on your content, your words, your ideas. So it actually sounds like you and covers what you want it to cover. Now, let me walk you through exactly what I'd do if I was starting from scratch. Step 1. Open NotebookLM. Step 2, upload your source. This could be a Google Doc, a PDF, even a website URL. Step 3, click on the video overview option. Step 4, wait a few seconds. Step 5, watch your cinematic video. That's the whole workflow. 5 steps, no learning curve. For the AI Profit Boardroom, here's what I'd upload first. A document called The Complete Guide to AI Automation for Small Businesses. Inside, it covers what AI automation is, why it matters, the top tools to use, and how the AI Profit Boardroom teaches you to set it all up. You upload that one doc, and NotebookLM turns it into a professional video that explains everything visually. You now have a piece of content that educates people, builds trust, and naturally shows them why the AI Profit Boardroom exists. Now, I want to be straight with you about the limitations because I'm not going to hype this up and leave out the real stuff. First, it's English only right now, so if your audience speaks another language, you'll have to wait. Second, there are daily limits on how many videos you can generate, so you can't just spam 100 videos in one day. Third, it's a premium feature. You need NotebookLM Pro or a higher tier to access cinematic overviews. And fourth, you can't fully customize everything yet. The AI makes the creative choices. You don't get to pick every scene or every transition, but honestly, for most people, that's actually a good thing. Less decisions means faster output. Now, let me tell you why this matters long term. Think about where this is going. Right now, it makes cinematic videos from your notes. Next year, it might let you customize every scene. The year after, full AI produced YouTube channels running on autopilot. We're watching the early stages of something massive, and the people who learn how to use these tools now are the ones who are going to be way ahead later. This is exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom, how to take tools like this and actually plug them into a real workflow. Not just play around with them, not just watch demos, but actually use them to create content, build systems, and grow. If you're in the AI Profit Boardroom, you already know this is the kind of stuff we break down every single week. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go try NotebookLM, upload one document, generate one video, see it for yourself, and then think about what you could do if you did that every single week for your business, your brand, or your community. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Tell us what you'd upload first. What topic would you turn into a cinematic video? Drop it in the comments. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. And a traffic problem is a business problem. You can make the best videos in the world, but if no one sees them, it doesn't matter. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, my team can help you rank higher on Google. We've built an agency doing exactly this for hundreds of clients. We know what works because we do it every single day. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Seriously, don't sleep on this one. The people who get traffic win. Everyone else is just hoping. And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, no fluff, no outdated strategies from 2019. Just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now inside our own agency. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. You don't need to figure this out alone. You don't need to waste months testing stuff that doesn't work. We've already done that for you. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now go take action. I'll see you in the next one.